Yeah. Whoa. What you call an icon living? Start a record label, Misfits just did it. I am just an icon living.
Giveaway? We all love giveaways. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing giveaways on this channel. It can be a $10 gift card, $20 gift card, $50 gift card. Listen, you never know. So just make sure you like and subscribe so you can get that notification letting you know that I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Let's get into it. I'm going to be reviewing the Air Max 270. This is an unboxed Air Max 270 review. Let's see. I ordered 2 pairs. I ordered the light bone and the black and white colorway. The light bone colorway and the black and white colorway. Let's see. This is a size 6.5, kid size. Retail price $120. I wish the box would come in the white box with all the Air Max numbers on it, but whatever. Look, yes, 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 yes. And I also have the black ones. All right, let's get into the sneaker. I think that this is definitely a dope sneaker. Let's get into the Air Max 270 review, the black and white colorway. I believe that this sneaker is simple yet very attractive, and the reason why it's very attractive because the air unit is one of the largest air units that Nike has ever made. It was inspired by the Air Max 180. It does have the same shape as the Air Max 180, but the Air Max 180 doesn't have the air bubble. What also grabbed my attention is the hole designs. I believe that they're there for ventilation. I don't know if you can see the hole design. I also love the mesh type material. It reminds me of like a sock, which is really dope. You can just wear like, not even ankle socks. You can just wear those, you know, little booty socks and you'll definitely be good. Also, there is a 270 in the back. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see it, but they have the 270 in the back. On the bottom, it's hot punch or hot pink, I believe, the color. And it also has the Air 270 right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yes, this is a very simple yet very attractive sneaker. Really true to size. I definitely love this sneaker. I believe that this is probably going to be an everyday sneaker for me. This is definitely going to replace the Space Jam 11s that I have. I wear those every single day. I actually have them on now. I believe that the Space Jams for me is a casual sneaker. I don't know about everyone else, but this is definitely a very simple casual sneaker to be worn every day. I can't wait to, I tried it on, so I definitely like the feel of it. I haven't actually wore it as of yet. I love this sneaker so much, I had to go get the light bone colorway. Definitely a dope sneaker. I prefer the Air Max 270 over the Vapormax. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget, I will be doing a giveaway, guys. I will be doing a giveaway, so make sure you turn on your notifications, like and subscribe. Tell me what you think about these sneakers. I love them. I think that they're dope, and I think that you should buy them. This is Ashley, and I am out.
Yeah. Whoa. What you call an icon living? Start a record label, Miss Fish just did it.